Yeah.
Who was the lion? Me.
Aiden did the lion.
And Kelly.
Who did the scarecrow?
I did.
Carson did the scarecrow. And who did the Tin Man?
Me. Holy crap.
You did the Tin Man?
And Kelly did Dorothy. And I
Awesome.
did that one too.
You guys did a great
And
job.
Carson did the witch.
Who did these? Did Mommy do those?
I did.
You did it?
I did that.
Oh
Mommy
my
did that.
gosh.
Yeah.
And you spelled it right and everything. Did Mommy help you?
Yeah.
Good job.
What does this say?
Good job.
Happy
birthday to the best Oma in the whole big wide world.
Yeah.
Scott, the lighter is on the counter in the kitchen.
All right.
You had one of those messy ones.
It's missing, or it's not working. It like clicks, but it doesn't keep clicking.
Ours doesn't either.
We did a new one.
Oh, my bling
I
bling
didn't
came
think you'd
off,
make it
so-
through, it's that little thing.
Not so cool.
Are you ready?
Now you can hold it against.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Oma. Happy birthday to you.
Ready?
Ready, boys? Blow.
Yay!